Checking and adjusting main relief pressure. Checking boost pressure. Press boost switch and make machine relief condition. Boost pressure is increasing about 350 bar. When adjusting boost pressure, loose lock nuts and tight or loose body. At that time, boost pressure switch must be pressed. Checking the system pressure. Make machine relief condition without pressing boost switch. System pressure is increasing about 330 bar. When adjust system pressure, loose lock nuts and tight or loose body, as this picture. Summary: main relief pressure adjusting. First, adjust boost pressure with pressed boost switch. The boost pressure is about 350 bar. Second, adjust system pressure. The system pressure is about 330 bar.